Hi there. Well, I couldn't get anyone to take over and do some of the filming, so you're stuck with me for the last and final video. For today, that is. Now we are on the Acuity nLight lab. It's going to be exercise 3, part 2. We're introducing line voltage controlled lighting into this lab. So we're going to build upon what we did in our earlier lab. We still have we basically have our NPP16 0 to 10 dimming relay here. Now we've added a phase control dimming power pack. We've added a green cable which will connect into the 0 to 10 power pack. We still have our yellow cable coming down, but what we've done is we've removed our sensor switch and we've added what's called a wall pod, and we've also added a ceiling mount occupancy sensor. We've then utilized a splitter, and all of this comes in our container, but we've utilized a splitter, and we want and actually I would prefer to see, for purposes of everybody doing this the same and having the labs look the same, is bring it into your splitter, and then from your splitter we're going to split off just like this, going into the two devices. That's the nice thing about the nLight system, is that you can split, you can start off. It doesn't have to be where you come into the device and you dead end. You can't continue on. So you can split these Cat5 cables. We're going to make up all our wire connections using our instructions. Is very important. Now with this, this is a 2-zone walled switch. Okay, so initially when we turn on our power, after we've been got permission from the instructor, you can see our system is blinking. It's in a programming and communicating mode with all the devices, so we have to give it a minute. We want to ensure that we wait until it goes through its full cycle, because if you start pressing buttons and it doesn't work, or you start unplugging things, you're just messing with the program, and you're going to have to recalibrate the system or do a factory reset. So we just have to have a little bit of patience. One thing about the occupancy sensor, it basically has a push button programming right here on the side that you're going to be utilizing in this exercise. The push buttons are on the sides of the power box that you probably already did in the earlier exercise. And now that now that it's gone through its calibration, it's stopped flashing, we now have control. So initially when we have this, we have two lights here. We have the phase control and the 0 to 10, and they're both illuminated. But they're only working off of one switch. So part of this exercise is going to learn how to program the second switch. And nLight uses the term channels. So we have two channels here. This is channel 1, and this one is channel 2. So we're going to learn how to program. We're going to put one light on channel 1 and one light on channel 2. As always, do not turn on any power until the instructors come over and verify that all your wiring is correct. And then at that point, you can turn on the power. Let's remember to wear our safety glasses. And I hope you learned a lot. I hope you enjoy this lab, and I look forward to seeing you at the next lab video. Thank you.